Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Wednesday, June 22nd. We unfortunately were not able to make a video yesterday. We were just a little busy here in the office. And Monday was a federal holiday, so we were closed anyways. So getting right into it, it is at the close here for us. Starting off with micro oil, we opened well below the close from yesterday. Had some initial selling and it just melted its way back up. We were so far below that close, we actually never got to it. But we, in essence, did open net or way gap down and still are finishing net down in terms of yesterday's close. Gold, pretty lackluster. Pretty much finishing near the close of yesterday as well as today. Had initial move up and they just could not seem to break out any higher and they just couldn't get any lower as well. So not a lot going on in gold. It finished slightly net down, I believe. Our equities, now those were a little bit more of an interesting story here. They opened, both the Nasdaq and ES opened gap down from its close. And you just had initial sell-off, and they made a floor, and they did not come back to it. They just kept buying and buying and buying. You can see the response around these HVA levels. If you're not sure what an HVA is, it's called a high volume area. And they are given out these levels to our students each night before the next day's trading endeavor. Meaning tonight, Wednesday night, our students will receive the levels for tomorrow. They can use those same levels for the overnight, pre-market, and obviously for the pit tomorrow. But we had a huge run up, and they just kept going, made some new highs for the day. They did overtake that close from earlier, and ultimately where we are finishing is below yesterday's close as well. So we are finishing net down in the ES, net down in the Nasdaq. Similar story for the Nasdaq where it opened gap down well below the close from yesterday. Some initial selling, support. Boom, they did not come back and they just melted up. You can see the response around these HVAs and how well they were handled. But again, they just drove that market back up, got to its close, and just fiddled around there for a while. And ultimately, we are closing today below yesterday, so we do have a net down, but not a lot, especially if we opened up, especially since we opened up well below it in the equities. But again, these HVA levels are given to our students the night before the next day's trading endeavor. If you are interested in finding out more information about them, how you can get them onto your charts, or how to learn to trade futures, especially our methodology that is proven, feel free to reach out to us. You can go to our Facebook page or find us on our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with the representative at either site. They'll show you into the rooms. You'll be able to see what we do each day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Furthermore, if you haven't seen the win-loss break-even videos that both Dan and Patrick put out, those are two different methodologies. These levels are specifically designed, not designed, but are in conjunction with the video that Pat makes in terms of those trades that were actually taken by our students. Check those out, and you'll see how well they perform from students taking them. We do not tell our students what to take. We teach our students how to trade, and they use what we taught them in their day's trading endeavors. We look forward to seeing you in the rooms.